Africa's Constitutional Court has ordered President Jacob Zuma to repay some of the $16 million in public funds used to upgrade for upgrades at his private residency. Now, Thursday's ruling comes as authorities investigate Mr. Zuma for another more recent scandal involving alleged undue influence given to the wealthy Gupta family. In handing down the judgment on Thursday, Chief Justice Makori says President Zuma violated the Constitution when he ignored the public protector's order to pay back some of the money used to build non-security features at his private home. The court gave the National Treasury 60 days to determine how much Zuma should pay. Legal experts say a ruling forcing Zuma to refund the money would not only be a victory for the opposition, but would also strengthen the position of those who want him impeached. Well, for some insight on this issue, joining us by phone from Johannesburg is Eusebius McKaiser. He's a political analyst and author. Mr. McKaiser, welcome to Africa 54.
Good day, Vincent. It's a pleasure to be on your show.
Yes. Now, we know that this has been long coming. What does this say to the office of the public protector? Is that such a big victory, right?
It is a big victory, and I guess unless you have a parochial interest in South African politics, I'd better start off by giving a pithy summary of the big picture for an international audience. South Africa, of course, is a constitutional democracy, and in 1994, when Nelson Mandela came to power, parliamentary sovereignty was replaced with the Constitution as the most supreme document and law of the land. What happened today is significant because the Constitutional Court, the highest court of the land, the equivalent of the Supreme Court in America, has declared President Jacob Zuma to have violated the Constitution by not complying with the public protector's remedial action in respect of undue benefits that he enjoyed when non-security upgrades to his private home were effected by the state. So the ruling was important because it establishes how the public protector, also known as an ombud in European countries, has legally binding powers. She may not be a court of law, but she is constitutionally obligated and empowered to make recommendations which can't be willy-nilly ignored by any citizen, including the president.
Very quickly, we know that the opposition has implied they will go forward with an impeachment motion. Do you see Mr. Zuma being in jeopardy here as far as his presidency is concerned?
No, for a very pedestrian reason that would apply to any democracy, including your own there in the United States. Law and politics are separate. This judgment by our Supreme Court merely declares action or inaction on the part of the president to have been a violation of the Constitution. But Parliament still remains the body with the sole legal and political power to impeach him. But of course, the African National Congress, our ruling party, has a majority of MPs in our National Assembly. They won't impeach him, so the political consequences are different to the legal meaning of the case.
Well, Mr. McKaiser, we do appreciate very much your insights. Eusebius McKaiser is a Johannesburg-based political analyst and author.